Hi, thank you for visiting my channel. This is This Darn Chick's Designs. I was inspired by a lady named Crafty Patty. She is on YouTube. She knows how to make these wonderful little cord bowls. So I went down to one of my local stores that I have, either Lowe's you can go to, or you can go to Home Depot. You can get some polyester cording. And these are so easy to actually be able to put together. I made a couple of them today. One that was kind of like a beachy. I really like this one. It matched very, very well with some of my decor. It holds together great. It's just very, very pretty light design for my living room, dining room, or even your patio. So I really do, I'm very impressed with this. I, however, went ahead and put some magazines inside of it to see what it would look like. And I thought that was very pretty, so it could be a magazine holder. So I kind of put some of my French country magazines in there, and a little bit of flowers next to it, just to see how well it would, the decor would look. I also used one of my banana plants that I have, and it actually fit in there too. So I thought that was really pretty. The third thing was I took it and I put it on one of my craft shelves, and then put some of the new bags that I had designed and had put online, and it fit there. So I think that no matter what you do with this, it's really going to look pretty for any type of decor. I think it's very, very lightweight. I think it did really well. It took me about an hour to make, so I'm pretty impressed with it. So just give me a thumbs up if you like this. If you have any questions, I made 2 different versions of it, and I will be working on some more this week. But let me know exactly what you think about the bowls. Thanks for watching.